Hey guys, it's Maddie with Maddie's TV coming back to you with another video. Video. Hey. So, today I would like to talk about a young lady by the name of Tamina's Reborn Angels. Excuse me. And Tamina has reborn dolls that she do herself. And she didn't call me. You know, we always in the same chat together. I don't know if I told Tamina that I like reborns or I wanted one. I don't know, but at any rate, I went to check my Instagram one day, and Tamina had messaged me on Instagram, and she said, "Auntie, I have some reborns on sale." She says, "I'll sell you two for the price of one." And I was like, okay, well, I only wanted one. So I'm like, okay, well, I'll do one. And I was going to support her anyway, you know. So she was like, okay, well, which one do you want? So she sent me my pick of 3 baby dolls. Well, 3 reborn angels. She sent me pics of them. So I picked the one that I liked. And she says, okay. I said, okay, so, let's talk about the payment method. I said, do you have Cash App? She says, no, I don't have Cash App. I have PayPal. I said, oh, okay. I says, well, I don't have PayPal, but when my husband get off, I can have him set it up because I do have a PayPal account, but it's just not active. So maybe I can reactivate it. So she went on to talk, and then finally she says, Auntie, I didn't want to tell you this. She says, but I'm sending you this for your birthday. Y'all know Auntie a crybaby. Y'all know I'm a crybaby. So yes, I shedded some tears, but it was tears of joy. It was tears of being happy. But with that being said, I want to open the box up. My heart is beating so fast. Okay. All right. They got it wrapped up really good, too. Okay. 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 Okay, y'all. I was trying to... Okay, can y'all still see me? Yeah. She got my baby wrapped up good, too. Okay, I'm going to sit back down, y'all. Okay, it looks like I have some paper. Oh, my goodness, y'all. She has a birth certificate. Grammy's reborn friend, Kaya A. Skull. She weighs 5 pounds and 4 ounces. She's 18 and a half inches long. This is her certificate, y'all. Oh, I'm shaking. Thank you. Thank you so much for adoring Kaya. She looks like she already have a name, Kaya. I hope she brings you many years of joy. Hold on. Okay. Okay. So she has all the paperwork with her. And this is the tips on how to care for her. Alrighty. Tamina. Okay. My baby got a birth certificate. Okay, we're going to put that there. And I'm going to unpack the box, y'all. Look, y'all. She has Pampers. Okay, y'all. Babe, I think I need your help. Okay, we got a teddy bear. Look, y'all. Babe, come here. Then we have another teddy bear. Oh, look. Babe. What? Oh, she gave me clothes. And here's my baby, y'all. She heavy. She heavy. Let me just finish taking everything out first. Oh, y'all. She got so many clothes. My baby heavy. Okay. Put her right there on the table. Okay. Oh, these must be for me right here. Thank you for the socks. Look at her little dress, y'all. Oh, it looks dark. Okay. That's a dress. Y'all, I got me a baby. I got me a baby. Oh, look. She got a onesie. Oh. Look at her little hoodie, y'all. She got her little hoodie. We're gonna have to get her a little Aunt Maddie's t-shirt. She got a little t-shirt. Oh, Tamina. So these are t-shirts. I'm too excited. Look at her little onesie, y'all. And look, it's got cherries on it, y'all. Cherries mean something to me, y'all. I have a tattoo of cherries, too. She got a bunch of t-shirts. She got a little sort of jean jacket, a jean dress. And the thing about it, y'all, is I can make my baby clothes, too. I can make her clothes, too. Okay, I'm going to stop now because I'm anxious to see her. She got a little Calvin Klein t-shirt, y'all. Oh. All right, I'm almost finished, y'all. Oh, shine brightly, look. Okay, I'm almost finished, y'all. Okay. Oh, look at this. She's going to be cute or whatever. All right. She has a bottle. Mm-hmm. And then she has her t-shirt. Okay. Now let's see her. Let mommy see her baby. I gotta see how to, she got her bundled up really good. Oh, she's protected too. Oh. Look, baby, she got her face covered. Oh, she's so heavy. Oh. Oh. Look, y'all. Look. Let me hold her neck up. Can y'all see her? Oh. Why is the light doing that? Y'all see her? Y'all see her? There she go. There she go. I don't know why the light does that. She's cute. Oh, I got a baby, y'all. She's cute. Hi, honey. Hi. She's cute. So y'all, I'm in love. And I was going to name her Tamina Angel, but we're going to turn it around and name her Angel Tamina. Angel Tamina. Tamina, thank you so very, very much. She's adorable. She is absolutely adorable. Thank you for everything. You hooked her up. She got a teddy bear. 2 teddy bears. Yes, you did that. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Angel Tamina. Again, I want to say thank you. She will be well taken care of. She will be loved. She will be loved. On that note, guys, all things I do with love. Peace and blessings to each and every one of you out there. If nobody told you they love you today, let me be the first to say it. Auntie love you. God bless each and every one of you out there. And Tamina, Reborn Angels. Tamina, Reborn Angels is the name of the young lady's page, y'all. If you are interested in getting yourself a reborn doll, very good person, and she will take good care of you. You guys will be seeing Angel on my videos too. God bless each and every one of you. Bye-bye.